Very good morning, children. And today I want you to discuss about the methods of solving empirical relationship, that is called as mean median mode. So we will take one single problem and we will discuss about how to solve the mean median mode, and all the three problems can be done with a single problem. Okay. So I'm just looking forward for your questions. So how can we do that, and we will see. So we'll start with the exercise 15.5. So in a 15.5, question number 11, page number 15.46, page number 11, question number 11. So I will take this example to do this, give the explanation. So this problem can be done using mean median mode. Okay. So we'll do it. So the question is, find the mean, median and mode of the following data. So we should finding out mean, median, mode. That is what we have to do. So mean, median and mode. So this is what we are going to do today, mean, median, mode. Okay. So let's do this problem one by one. So here they have given a class size. So I'm just writing for class size. Ci is given. Next, you know that is frequency. So first I want to do with the mean. So I'm going to do this problem using a step division method. So I'm just writing down xi I need, ui I need, and next this is fi, and this is fi ui. Okay. So the class intervals are given 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300. Okay. Okay. Here you want to add some other problems. So I want you to, okay, in the book actually they have given 300 to 350, but I will stop it here because I don't have space to do it. So now the fi, this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 5 and 6, again 5 and 3. So now we are going to finding out the xi. So xi means the mid value of the class interval. Okay. So what is the mid value of class interval? How to finding out the class xi? That is called median. So median, how to finding out? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay. Or the average of the lower limit and upper limit we can say. So the mid value is 25 for the first problem, and this is 75, and this is 150, and this is 175, and this is 250, this is 275. Okay. So finally we done xi. So now we are going to do ui. When you want to ui, you have to choose value of a. So how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have. So what I want to do is I want to choose 150 as a. So if I choose 150 as a, so there's a shortcut I can told you. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is -1, this is -2. Now we should finding out the value of fi ui. So 2 times minus 2 is nothing but minus 4, and this is minus 3, and this is 0, and this is 6, and this is 10, and this is 9. So now we should find out the value of summation fi ui. So summation fi ui, you should finding out, you should add all the numbers. Okay, so minus 4 minus 3, this is minus 7, and when we add this, and this is 10, 16, 25. So 24 we should subtract minus 7. So 20, when you subtract 5, it is 20, and one more 2, that is 18 will come. So the value of fi ui is 18, and you should finding out the value of fi. So we can add 2, 5, 10, 16, 21, 24. So 24 is fi. So now we are going to finding out the mean formula. So our formula for mean is nothing but x bar. So x bar equal to formula a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi into h. So this is the formula we are going to do it, equal. So what is the value of a? We have taken 150, we have taken the value of a, and summation fi ui we found it as, we done it, that is 18, and summation fi is 24, and h class size, so class size is 50. So now we need to cancel out, so we can cancel the numbers by 2 or 3, whatever it is. So 2 la cancel panna, and this is 12, and this is 25, and one more time if you want to cancel these numbers by 2, and this is 6, 2 la cancel panna 6, and this is nothing but we can cancel out directly by 6. So 6 tables நம்ம cancel பண்ணா 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18. So now we need to do that. 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 2. So now we should divide that 75 by 2. So 75 by 2 panna 2 times 3 6, remainder 1, 15 will come. 2 times 7 14.5. So you got the value of mean is, so mean equal to 37.5. Okay, so finally we done it. So we done mean. So now what we are going to do is we are going to finding out the value of median. So now we're going to do median. So just place it here for median, how to do it. So for the same problem, to finding out the median, I'm going to write down the steps. So median க்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு just table column வந்து very less தான், that is 0 to 50, 50 to 100. We need to finding out CF, அதனால நம்ம table போடணும். 100 to 150, and 150 to 200, and next 200 to 250, and next 250 to 300. So this is all we got, and this is obviously you can say that CI, and this is F, and now we are going to finding out CF, that is cumulative frequency. Okay, so this is a topic actually. So frequency என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this is 2 and 3, 5, 6, 5, 3. Okay, so total frequency திருப்பி வேணா கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 2 plus 3 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 16, 21, 24. So 24 is n. We call it as summation fi ni. So now what we are going to write? We are going to finding out the CF. So write down the first number 2, and the sum of first number and second number we can do, or we can cross multiply, cross added, addition 5, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 10 is 16, 5 plus 16 is 21, 21 plus 3 24. I already told you the last value of the number which is equal to total number of frequency. Okay, so now we are going to fix the now we are going to finding out the model class. So model class கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு main point n by 2 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So n by 2 வந்து 24 divided by 2. So 24 by 2 value வந்து 12. So 12 வந்து எங்க occur ஆகுது அப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா it's coming here. Okay, so in the problem as per your நீங்கள் ஒரு ஷார்ட்கட் மெத்தட் சொன்னீங்க, ஹையஸ்ட் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி எது இருக்கோ அதுதான் வந்து மீடியம் கிளாஸ் வரும் அதே சொன்னீங்க. பட் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு அது கரெக்டாக வருது. இட்ஸ் அப்ளிகபிள் நவ். ஸோ வி வில் திங்க் அபவுட் இட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் எஃப் அண்ட் த ப்ரிசீடிங் நம்பர் தான் உனக்கு சிஎஃப்பாக வரும். திஸ் இஸ் சிஎஃப் அண்ட் 150 அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ நவ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு write the formula and we are going to solve the problem. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into h. Okay, now the problem is we are going to solve it. So one by one we will write. So what is L? We found 150. So 150 is L, and n by 2 is 12 minus CF வந்து preceding number, that is 10, divided by frequency is 6, and the class size you know very well, that is 50. So now is the simplification. So when we do the simplification with the two skips la pannona, 2 times 3, and this is 25. Okay, so now again we are going to simplify. So 12 10% become 2 into 25, that is 50. So 50 by 3, and one more simplification, 150 plus 50 divided by 3, we can do it by 3 tables. So 3 times 1 3, remainder 2, 20. So 20 into 6 times 3 18, remainder 2.0, again 6 times 3 18. Okay, it will goes on. So now we will conclude that the median so 1 sorry, yeah, we can add like this 16.6. So the value will get 166.6. So this is how we will get so this is the median of the given data, 166.6. So what is the value of mean we got? Actually the mean also we done a little bit problem, that is wrong. So that is 37.5 will not come, just 150 we should add. So this is 37.5. if we add like this, 187.5. yes, this is the mean. Actually I did a mistake, change it. So 187.5 is the mean, and median 166.6, and we will think about mode. So mode எப்படி வருதுன்னு நம்ம பார்ப்போம். மோடோட வேல்யூ வந்து ஈக்குவலாக வருதா இல்லை என்ன இருக்குன்னு. So mode we are going to discuss. So what about mode? So மோடோட டேபிள் பார்ப்போம். ஸோ மோடுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டேபிளேஷன் வந்து இஸ் வெரி லெஸ். நீங்கள் கொஷின் கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் இருந்தாலே போதும், அதில் வந்து நான் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ 0 to 50, 0 to 50, and 50 to 100, and 100 to 150, and 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300. So this is CI, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3. This is frequency, and now we are going to do the problem. So மோடுக்கு ரெண்டே மட்டும் போதும், அதாவது என்னன்னா CIயும் F, இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் இருந்தால் போதும். We can do the problem. So this is CI and this is frequency. So நம்மளோட மெயின் பர்பஸ் வந்து என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we should finding out F1, F2, F3. ஸோ இருக்கிறதுலே ஹையஸ்ட் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி தான் உனக்கு வந்து F1 இருக்கும், அதுக்கு பிஃபோராக இருக்கிற ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி F0 இருக்கும், அதுக்கு ஆஃப்டராக இருக்கிற ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி வந்து F2 இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ now we are going to write one more thing, that is L. So L வந்து median class, this is the model class. So இதில் வேல்யூ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லிமிட் வந்து L வந்து 150, and one more thing we should write, that is H. H is 50 class size. Okay, so I think we have done it. Now we write the formula for mode. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to do it now. So the value of L is 150 plus the value of F1. F1 is 6, F0 is 5. So 6 minus 5 divided by 2F1. So F1 have to multiply by 2. So 6 times 2 you will get 12 minus F0. F0 oda value on the 5, and the value of F2 also is 5. Okay, so now one more step we have to do, that is simplification. So 6 minus 5 is 1, obviously. So minus 5 we should add, we'll get minus 10. So 12 minus 10 is nothing but 2. So there is a last step we are going to do, that is mode equal to, so last step is 150 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So if we add 150 plus 0.5, 0.5 should be added like this, it is not 0.5. So we got the number like 150.5. So the mode is 150.5. So now the final answer we should write. The final answer is, we should write the value of mean, and we should write the value of median, and we should write the value of mode. So we'll write one by one. So mode வந்து 150.5, and the median value we will check 166.6, and we will check the mean 187.5. So all the three answers we got. So put a tabular column and box. So this is the answer we get. in case in the product la ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு problem ஏதாவது addition mistake subtraction mistake multiplication mistake இருந்தா you just text me when I post this video so you can understand it. And now so thank you so much children, thank you for your patient listening. If you have any query and like this, tell me again. I'm here for you to explain all the problems. Thank you so much.